and welcome to Mindens. Mindens are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. Let's get started with today's Minden, which is a twist on one of my all-time favorites, stuffed shells. I used to love making stuffed shells. It was a tedious process, boiling my noodles, stuffing them, and not only that, it was very high calorie, so I figured out a way to give you the same great taste, no mess, in minutes, and that's what we're gonna do today. So all you do is you take a squash and you cut it in half, and then you're gonna just easily remove the seeds and preserve the squash. And if you've been watching Mindens on YouTube, you also know that I love to use fruits and vegetables as a serving vessel. So you get your serving of fruits and vegetables, and it's a pretty way to present your meal. So after you've cleaned out the seeds, all you do is you put this in the microwave just like this, and you microwave it for 4 minutes, and it will become soft, just like this, almost like a noodle, except no carbs. This is, when I tell you this is a no mess dish, I'm really no mess, so easy. 1 spoon, you could use the same spoon, put it if you want, because this is your stuff. You're not sharing it with anybody. Just take a little bit of ricotta cheese, take a tiny bit of sauce, a sprinkle of this wonderful Italian blend cheese, another tongue twister here. There you go. I happen to love a lot of cheese. And then all you're gonna do is stick it in the microwave, cover your microwave with a microwave safe dish for about 30 seconds to a minute, just enough time for it to heat up and your cheese to melt. The only way that you can see a finished photo of this is to follow me on Instagram as well, which is Mindens. Follow me on Instagram and you'll always see a finished photo picture of what we're making on Monday, every Monday on YouTube. Cook with me. Easy, simple recipes. All my back recipes are listed on my website, which is www.mindens.com, where you will find all the nutritional information and the cost per serving. We come to you every week, unscripted, unedited, to bring you a delicious meal that you can make in minutes. Follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and thank you once again for joining. Come back next week. I don't know what we'll make. You'll have to stay tuned and see.